Caulking can be a total pain, but using the right caulking gun, especially one that doesn't require all that hand squeezing, can make the whole job way easier and cleaner. Alright, so if you want to nail caulking without feeling like your hand's gonna fall off, first off, try a cordless caulk gun. They're usually around $50 to $60, and honestly, they save your hands from cramping. Next, always check if the tube of caulk is easy to squeeze before you start. If it's too tough, the gun might just explode the bottom of the tube and make a mess. When you're running beads, keep your wrist steady and move at a consistent pace for nice, clean lines. Don't forget to cut the nozzle at an angle that matches the bead size you want. It helps with control. After you finish, clean the nozzle and gun parts before the caulk dries. That stuff hardens fast and can wreck your tool. If you're working with specialized adhesives like Sikaflex or something heavy-duty, pick a gun designed for that because normal ones might not handle the pressure. Lastly, practice makes perfect. Even a cheap $7 gun can do the trick if you get the hang of it. One of the biggest mistakes people make with caulking guns is trying to force a dried-out tube. They end up with clogs and mess everywhere, so always check freshness before starting. Another common slip-up is using the wrong nozzle size or cutting it poorly, which leads to uneven beads. Fix it by matching nozzle cuts to your project needs. Also, some folks don't clean their guns right after use, causing hardened caulk buildup that ruins future jobs. Just make cleaning part of your routine, and your gun will last way longer. If you're looking for trusted local contractors, or you're a contractor wanting steady work, bighomeprojects.com is a solid place to check out. It connects homeowners with reliable pros and helps contractors find new gigs easily.